If you're ready to manifest abundance and prosperity in your life, then setting clear financial goals is an essential first step. So, what exactly are financial goals, and how do you set them? Financial goals are simply targets that you want to achieve with your money. They might include paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or building a successful business. To set financial goals, it's important to be specific and realistic. Instead of saying I want to be rich, try setting a specific financial goal like I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house. This goal is specific, measurable, and achievable, which makes it more likely that you'll be able to achieve it. Once you've set your financial goals, the next step is to create a plan to achieve them. This might involve creating a budget, finding ways to increase your income, or seeking out financial education and resources. It's essential to be proactive and take action toward your goals in order to make progress. One helpful tip is to break your financial goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks. For example, if your goal is to pay off debt, you might create a plan to pay off a certain amount each month, or to make extra payments whenever possible. This helps to make your goals feel more achievable and gives you a roadmap to follow. Remember, financial manifestation is not just about visualizing and affirming what you want, it's also about taking action toward your goals. By setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them, you'll be well on your way to manifesting abundance and prosperity in your life. In addition to setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them, there are a few other tips that can help you manifest abundance and prosperity in your life. Keep an open mind. Be open to new opportunities and ideas that can help you achieve your financial goals. Stay positive and focus on abundance. Instead of dwelling on financial struggles or limitations, focus on abundance and prosperity. Be consistent and persistent. Financial manifestation takes time and effort, so it's important to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. Seek out financial education and resources. There are plenty of resources available to help you improve your financial knowledge and skills. Seek out these resources and take advantage of them. Use visualization and affirmations. Visualization and affirmations can be powerful tools for attracting abundance and prosperity. Make them a regular part of your financial manifestation routine. By following these tips and setting clear financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them, you'll be well on your way to manifesting abundance and prosperity in your life. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.